Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can edit the mobile version of your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, this is very easy. It is very well integrated into the site. You can edit both the PC or desktop versions as well as the mobile version. So it is really not that difficult. Now, what you need to do, as you can see, currently I'm on the editor page of my site, and now I just went to the main page. Now, as you can see, this is the desktop version, this is the desktop layout, and let's say I want to edit my mobile version as well. Now, to do this, all you have to do is press this mobile view icon over here, and it's going to show you the mobile version of your site. Now, if you want to make any edits, you just need to go to the page you want to edit, and once you're done, just click edit over here in the top left. And as you can see, now I can go ahead and edit this site. I can add sections, I can modify the text, move things around. For example, these buttons, as you can see, it's very well made due to these grid lines. And if I change back to the desktop version, as you can see, it's not going to change anything over here. So you can pretty much independently change both of these layouts. Now, that only works for layouts. If you want to change text, that is going to change for both the mobile version and the desktop version as well. So for example, let's change the text of this. Let me just erase the test part of this text, and it's going to change to this layout right over here. Let's say that is done. I'll just save the changes and exit out of the editor. Now, as you'll see, once the site loads up, it doesn't have that test addition to the text anymore. And if I go back to the desktop view, it's gone from here as well, and it changed the layout a bit. As far as I'm aware, this was in another row at the time, but I might be mistaken, so it might not have been, and it just erased it from the end. But yeah, that is pretty much all you need to know. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.